A new shingle roof is a significant investment for any homeowner. It is important to understand the value that it can bring to your home before making the decision to invest in a new roof. Here, we will discuss the benefits of having a new shingle roof installed on your home. Increased home value. One of the most significant benefits of a new shingle roof is that it can increase the value of your home. A new roof can significantly improve the curb appeal of your home, which is the first impression that potential buyers will have of your property. A new roof can also make your home more energy efficient, which is a desirable feature for many homebuyers. Improved energy efficiency. A new shingle roof can improve the energy efficiency of your home in several ways. First, a new roof can help to reduce air leakage, which can result in lower heating and cooling costs. Second, a new roof can provide better insulation, which can help to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Finally, a new roof can reflect more sunlight, which can help to reduce the amount of heat that is absorbed by your home. Enhanced safety. A new shingle roof can also enhance the safety of your home. If your old roof is damaged or worn out, it can pose a safety risk to you and your family. A new roof can provide better protection against the elements, which can help to prevent water damage, mold, and other issues that can pose a safety risk. Long-term durability. Shingle roofs are designed to last for many years, and a new shingle roof can provide long-term durability for your home. A new roof can provide better protection against the elements, which can help to prevent damage to your home. Additionally, a new roof can be made from materials that are designed to last longer than traditional asphalt shingles, which can provide even greater durability. Lower maintenance requirements. A new shingle roof can also require lower maintenance than an older roof. Newer shingle roofs are designed to be more durable and require less maintenance than older roofs. This can help to save you time and money on maintenance and repairs over the life of your roof. Improved aesthetics. A new shingle roof can significantly improve the aesthetics of your home. A new roof can be designed to match the style and color of your home, which can enhance its overall appearance. Additionally, a new roof can help to eliminate any unsightly stains or damage that may be present on your old roof. Better warranty protection. A new shingle roof will typically come with a warranty from the manufacturer. This warranty can provide you with additional protection against defects and damage that may occur over time. Additionally, many roofing contractors offer warranties on their workmanship, which can provide additional peace of mind. Enhanced weather protection. A new shingle roof can provide enhanced protection against severe weather conditions. This can be particularly important if you live in an area that is prone to storms or severe weather events. A new roof can be designed to withstand high winds, heavy rain, and other weather conditions that can cause damage to your home. Increased comfort. Finally, a new shingle roof can provide increased comfort for your home. A new roof can help to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which can help to improve the overall comfort of your living space. The improved insulation provided by a new shingle roof can help to keep your home at a more consistent temperature, reducing drafts and cold spots. This can make your home more comfortable to live in, and can also help to reduce your energy bills by reducing the amount of heating and cooling needed to maintain a comfortable temperature. A new roof can also help to reduce outside noise, making your home a more peaceful and relaxing environment. Overall, a new shingle roof can provide significant benefits for your home and your quality of life. Contact us today to learn more about our services and to get started on your roofing project. Get a quality roofing quote from J.K. Johns Roofing. 352-754-8600